So good day, sir. This is Decadet Gas, and I will be discussing my written assessment for this week. So during daytime, the OW should have proper lookout by all available means to prevent any accidents. Even nighttime or daytime lookout should not be overlooked. This is one of the most essential thing that, perhaps the most essential thing that one should maintain during maneuvering. So because this is all action starts in lookout. So that's why rule number 5 is the basis of all actions in coal rigs. Because accordingly, rule number 5 is the brain of coal rigs, because all action starts with a lookout. All assessment of situation starts with proper lookout. So the officer should also have proper awareness to the prevalent conditions around him for better assessment. That's what I'm talking about, leading proper lookout leading to proper assessment. And he should also report when passing to points for vessel monitoring other purposes. So when passing reporting points on TSS, you should report for the authorities to be notified that you are there. And also, this is for monitoring purposes. This is mandated by regulations. During nighttime, there should be increased vigilance while navigating. If you are maintaining proper lookout on daytime, how much more in nighttime when there is restrictions in your visibility. And also, there are also several vessels, small vessels operating during nighttime, especially fishing vessels. Also, in your navigating close to coastal waters, you can also observe lights, especially when you're traveling near cities where there is a lot of blinding lights, and with that, it's more difficult to distinguish lights of vessels from city lights. So that should be considered as well. Nighttime, we have a double vigilance there, and also for increased awareness of your surroundings. So the officer must make use of the radar and pay attention to all of the lights visible within the vessel's vicinity. That's what I'm talking about. Watch out for lights, watch your radar. You should also maintain proper communication with surrounding vessels. So during restricted, proper communication, that's a must. During restricted visibility, safe speed must be maintained. So signals should also be taken into account for monitoring. And lastly, there should be additional lookouts. So restricted visibility, just like at nighttime, but this is more heightened compared to nighttime, wherein there is a huge amount of fog. So you should pay attention to sound signals sent by vessels around you, and also you should maintain sending sound signals as well. And also, you have another lookout at the bow of the vessel, to the proa, and also for the bridge team itself should be ready that for any situation that may occur while navigating. So I think that's all, sir. Thank you.